KCET champions. I hope all of you are doing absolutely good. So hear me out carefully. There is one thing that you have been asking me for a very long time in the WhatsApp channel as well, and also in the comment, and that is, ma'am, what about the option entry link? So finally, the option entry link is out, and listen to me carefully. Where can you find it? Go to KA's official website. In the front page itself, you will be able to find option entry portal, and here there are two links given: option entry link 1, option entry link 2. You can click on this. There are 3 steps basically which are required for you to log in. Okay, there will be what is this? The first process where you have to scan your QR code, which is there on the verification slip for getting the entry. But if at all you're worried to use that, you can enter your CET number as well as the option entry number, application number, all of it, and go ahead with the process. Now, I'll be making a separate video on the entire login process, as that you face no difficulty. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button for getting that update. Okay, so once you log in, basically you're gonna get a OTP. Now the OTP can be via the SMS or WhatsApp or email, whichever is suitable for you. You can just click on that, and further there will be a face verification, and that's all. Okay, now for some of you, you might be able to access it. For some of you, you may not be able to access it. Why? Because you know, once a link is active, everyone comes to that link, right? But do understand that you will get enough time to do the entire process, which means that you can take a days off time. Okay, probably you can start from tomorrow. Have your research been done properly for the option entry? Always remember, whatever options you're gonna give, that is something out of which you're going to be getting allotted. Okay, so basically, wrong English. So basically, whatever options you give, on the basis of that only your allotment will be happening. So please make sure you take an informed decision on that. And as I said, some of you will be able to access it, some of you might not be able to. Do not be worried about it. Okay, just give it some time. There will be enough time given to you for doing the process of option entry. Now obviously there are so many updates that are going to come regarding it, from when until when it is there, and all of it. I'll be making separate videos on that. And one more very important thing, and that is, if you're not able to find this in the front page itself, you can go to admissions at the corner. Go, and once you click on admissions, you will be able to see UG CET 2026. Click on that, go to candidate activity links. In that also you will be finding option entry link. Okay, so please do that. And if at all you are someone who is worried about how to do this process, I have made a separate video before. What is KCET option entry, best way for choice filling, explained step by step. This is how it looks in the home page. Okay, in the home page there's a playlist for KCET. You can just refer to the videos are there. It is definitely going to help you out in this particular condition. Works. So that's it. And apart from that, there are few more things that I want to add up, and that is, as I said yesterday when I put up that particular message in the WhatsApp channel asking about what issue my dear children are facing, they came up with this thing that, ma'am, option entry process I'm not able to understand. First of all, listen to me. I have done a whole separate video on the option entry process, and it goes like this. What is option entry? This is how the topic is. What is KCET option entry? Best way for choice filling, explained step by step. This particular video is there. I hope you can see the thumbnail somewhere in the channel itself. In the home page of the channel, you will find a playlist where you have this particular video out there. Check it out. This is definitely going to give you some clarity. Now, if not, listen to me very carefully about certain thing. Suppose I say that there is CS, okay, and there is CS with data science. Okay, now, ma'am, the cutoff for this CS is 1000 and the cutoff for DS is 1500. 1500. What is your rank? Your rank, suppose, is 900. I'm just giving a normal number out there such that you have an understanding. So, ma'am, the problem is that I actually do not want CS. I want CS with data science. In that way, that is my preference. If that is the case, how should I be arranging the college? So this CS can be in RV, this CS in CS with DS also is in RV. I am not sure whether this particular course is there. I'm just giving an example. These two courses are from the same colleges, but just that they have different cutoff. So I know about this, okay? And my preference is actually this one. I want to get here. It's my second preference. CS, plain CS is my second preference. So, ma'am, everyone says that you have to arrange in the order of the cutoff. So, if my cutoff is 900, then 1000 should come first. Then it should be coming as 1500. That is how it should be actually going, right? Yes, that is how it should usually go. But since your preference is CS but DS, okay, you have to put it first. Why? Because it starts analyzing from top to bottom. So for example, it comes across 1000 and your rank is 900. So obviously it is within 1000 basically, which is there, or 900 which is there, it is within 1000. So the first preference is something that you're gonna get over here. You get it? Now if you want to make sure that you get CS with DS, obviously you have to put it on the upper side and you have to shift this on the lower side, if that is your second preference. You get it? This is very, very important thing. So yes, we have to arrange it according to the cutoff, but depending upon your preference as well. It's very, very important. Yes, CS would be having the highest cutoff up there, but if your preference is something else, you need to put that first. Got it? Now the second thing that I want to tell about over here is basically, I have said that in the video that I showed you, but I'm still telling you that option entry is a process where you are going to give a list of colleges as courses as well as courses to KE, right? Now, who decides what college you're gonna get? Your rank, whatever rank you have scored right now, that decides. Your category and your reservation also decides it. So please do understand that whatever videos are being done for colleges, for example, 10 to 50K, these are the colleges that you will get. Usually, it is considered that usually in these videos, GM category cutoff, that is general merit category cutoff, is being considered, and that is definitely going to be on the higher side. But if at all you are someone who belongs to some different category, you need to look it that way. Okay, you need to look it that way. For example, I'll give you an example. In RVC college, you have aerospace engineering. Okay, now here it is category 1G. Category 1 is a different category from general merit, right? Here for aerospace engineering, the cutoff is 10,045. That means if someone has to get a rank within this particular range, they'll get the college or they'll get the course over here. They have to belong to category 1. What about general merit? It is 2069. This cutoff is very tight. You have to be within this particular range. But now, since you are aware that, okay, according to my category, the cutoff is going to be different, you have to make your list accordingly. Different category, different cutoff, always remember that. Do not do the mistake out there. You might be losing out on options. Second thing, know what course do you exactly want. This is very, very important. Do you want EC? Do you want AI? Do you want CS? Do you want MEC? Whatever it is, have it sorted in your head and do not just go behind the cutoff. As I said, you need to arrange according to your interest as well. If at all you think that, okay, I can get this thing that I am interested in with the cutoff, with the rank that I am having, adjust it accordingly. And I'll also tell you one more very important thing, okay, and this is actually very important. Ma'am, this rank inflation which is happening out there, is it going to affect the whole process of allotment? So even me or you, all of us are in the same page because we do not know how much it is going to differ. What is the safest thing that we can do is basically analyze, okay, analyze how it was the previous year. After analyzing, make a list. This list is for what? For mock allotment. This is not your real allotment. This is going to be for your mock allotment. Now, once your mock allotment is being done, you get your result for mock allotment. Okay, I understood I'm not getting a college. Okay, I understood I'm getting this college. Fine. But basically, along with results comes one more very important thing, and that is the cut-off data for 2026. So the first cut-off data for 2026 would be given after mock allotment. They will get an understanding how many children are participating and everything. So basically, you have got the cut-off list now. That is of the present year. Depending on that, before going ahead with the next round out there, you can plan or you can change, you can add, you can delete, you can rearrange, you can do whatever you want. But at least for the starting point, you need some reference. For that, you have to go ahead with the previous year. Do not be worried about rank inflation over here. Make a list properly according to the previous year. And then after your mock allotment cutoff list comes, probably you can make more changes to it. Got it? I hope that is super clear to you. Yes, so that is another thing. Now the next thing which is there is, as I said, when you think that, okay, I want this particular course, for example CS, and you're too much into one particular college, you want this college and you're pretty sure for CS it has good placement and all. So please check how many courses do they have. They might have CS allied courses as well. There is CSE with cybersecurity, there is CSE with data science, there is CSE with AI ML. Lot of things are there. The cutoff would be varying. There is chance that you may get into it. You get it? So your research matters. Please do that and make your option entry list accordingly, and please put as many options as possible. One more very important thing, do not do option entry in the mobile phone. Okay, do not do option entry in the mobile phone, strictly not allowed. Please do it in a desktop or basically a computer, laptop, whatever you want, but not on the phone. There are higher chances to do mistakes. You will end up in a very bizarre position, and I really do not want you to go through that. Okay, so please make sure you do that. And about all of this, about how you have to make the option entry list, as I said, I have put up it in a separate video. That is this. Make sure you watch it. I'll try to pin it in the comment section also, so that there won't be any more confusions regarding it. And I hope that this video has given you a clarity. As I said, if you're able to go ahead with the process, it's all cool. If you are not, please understand that. Also, just reminding you once more, that is, if at all you are not able to access, please give the site some time, such that all of it would be done peacefully. And please stay patient. We are going to help you with all the updates, and I just want to wish you all the best. Do not do anything in haste and do not regret it later on. And I am reminding you again, do not use mobile phone for the process of option entry. Okay, so that's all. Wishing you the best. As I said, if you're worried about the the process of option entry or what you need to do, you can watch this particular video out there. So bye bye, take care.